bigger on the videos that we've seen, but it's not too bad. And there's the toilet. Our little lady's been a bit paranoid about the noise the toilets make since going on the aeroplane, so we have to be careful. I wasn't expecting you to step up to get into the bathrooms, but I suppose it's in case there's any water get everywhere. So a little tiny bath to sit in, shower. Hopefully we'll get our cases soon so we can sort us out. Ethan, where are we?
Oh.
Are we on a
Cruise.
cruise?
We're here, Disney cruise.
And this is the bed, which I'm sure the kids will end up in.
This is toilet.
Mind your head.
Mind yourself. And we know that this is a bed. There's a bed up here, but because Ethan gets up a lot in the night, we're not sure if we'd do the bunk beds. So we actually requested a room, or we made sure that that is also a bed. So I'm thinking Ethan's going to sleep in there and Ellie will sleep there. And it's warm out, but it's not that sunny. Just sorting out all the luggage.